Hi there. Are you looking to install a WordPress themes and plugins? There are thousands of WordPress themes and plugins available, both free and paid. As a beginner, you may want to try out a few of them on your site until you find the right one. In this tutorial, we'll share detailed step-by-step instructions on how to install a WordPress themes and plugins. We'll start on installing a WordPress theme on our website. Installing a WordPress theme is easy, but keep in mind that if you activate a new theme, then it will change how your website looks and functions. If you are installing a WordPress theme on a new site, then you are good to go. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress admin area. Next, go to the Appearance, Themes page, and click on the Add New button. On the next screen, you will have the ability to select from Featured WordPress Themes, Popular WordPress Themes. Clicking on the Feature Filter button will allow you to sort themes based on features. In our case, we searched for the popular Astra theme. When you see the theme that you want to install, simply bring your mouse on top of the image. Go ahead and click on the Install button. WordPress will now install your theme and show you a success message along with Activate or Live Preview buttons. Click on the Activate button, and you've successfully installed and activated your WordPress theme. Now let's head on to installing a WordPress plugin. First thing, you need to visit the Plugins Add New page inside your WordPress admin area. Find the plugin by typing the plugin name or the functionality you are looking for. After that, you will see a bunch of listings like the example below. You can pick the plugin that is best for you. Since in our search, we were looking for WP Forms, which is the best WordPress contact form plugin, we'll click the Install Now button next to it. WordPress will now download and install the plugin for you. After this, you'll notice the Install Now button will change into the Activate button. A WordPress plugin can be installed on your site, but it will not work unless you activate it. So go ahead and click on the Activate button to start using that plugin on your WordPress site. That's all, you have successfully installed your first WordPress plugin. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.